Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix the Black Ops 3 error code A.B.C.D.E.F H.I.J.K N. First, always start by restarting your game and your console or PC. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. Finally, verify the integrity of your game files through your platform's launcher to catch any corrupted data. These initial checks are crucial. If restarting didn't work, let's dive into network troubleshooting. Power cycle your router and modem by unplugging them for at least 30 seconds before plugging them back in. Consider connecting your device directly to your modem using an Ethernet cable to rule out Wi-Fi issues. Also, check that your NAT type is open or moderate for the best online experience. Software updates are vital for game stability. Make sure Black Ops 3 is fully updated to its latest version. Don't forget to check for and install any available system software updates for your console or PC, as these often include important network fixes. You might also temporarily disable firewalls or antivirus software to see if they are interfering. As a last resort, you can try clearing your console's cache or even reinstalling the game entirely, though this takes time. If the error persists, contact Activision support directly with your specific error code for personalized assistance. Also, explore community forums. Other players might have found unique solutions to this particular issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.